that a giant mushroom? Is that crazy? Did I get it? Wait, I'm in the sea! Anyways, guys, this is my video. Kinda short, but it's pretty good. Just kidding, I think it's horrible. And I bet no one will like and subscribe. You can comment. Please just... What kind of thing is this even? Withered mushrooms. I just feel it in my bones. The forge instinct is kicking in, finding secret rooms out of nowhere. Wait! What did I just find? Very interesting. Is there a drowning system? Or am I just the first one to find this? Until I am lost. Under the map? Like, what kind of... Devs, if you see this, fix this. And I'm lost. I'm very lost. I'm a lost boy. To do that. Accessories. Race! Okay, grinding time. Do I get any free rolls? Oh yes, we do. Please. I wanna be something like good. I'm an elf. I'm an elf. Base movement speed. +3 jump height. +10. Pretty good. The ancient and mysterious race possesses a sharp magical perception. I'ma get the legendary tomorrow. Why? I'm a brightness.